Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about our FP-600 and FP-600INS fuse pulling pliers. Both pliers are made of Chrome Vanadium Steel and heat treated for added strength and durability. These pliers are ideally suited for inserting and removing mini fuses in items such as power inserters, line amplifiers, automotive fuse boxes, just to name a few. They're also great for removing small cylindrical items such as heat coils. The unique jaw shape allows you to easily grab and remove fuses without doing any damage to the fuse. The FP-600 has a return spring in the handle for added comfort. The handle is also designed ergonomically and has a dip plastic grip for additional comfort, while the FP-600, also having an ergonomically designed handle, has a fully insulated grip that is VDE approved and is rated to 1000 volts.